Okay, so for those of you that weren't in class today, I did 2 problems that I wanted to make sure you knew how to do. And so I'm doing them again here in this video. This question asks, what is the measure of the largest angle? The perimeter is 35. Well, we know that the largest angle is across from the largest side. So we have to figure out which one is the largest side. So it tells us that the perimeter is 35. So I know that 6x minus 2 plus 5x minus 1 plus x plus 2 has to equal 35. And so when I do this, I get 11x, I get 12x minus 1 equals 35, which is 12x equals 36, which is x equals 3. So that means that this side is 6 times 3 is 18 minus 2 would be 16. This side would be 14. And this side would be 5. So angle C must be the largest. Angle C is largest because it's across from the largest side. So now I can use law of cosines to figure out what angle C is. And I am going to do, remember, that would be C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. So C is 16 squared equals 14 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 14 times 5 cosine C. And so that gives me 256 equals, if I put these two together, I would get 221 minus 140 cosine C. Now I'm going to subtract 221 from both sides. And I get, what, 35 equals negative 140 cosine C. Divide both sides by negative 140. And I get negative 0.25 equals cosine C. I take the inverse of both sides, so cosine inverse of negative 0.25 equals C, which is 104.5 degrees. Okay, and so that's how you do that. The other example that I want to show you is this example, and it's find the area. Well, I know the area formula is 1/2 times side times side times sine theta, an angle. Okay, so I need 2 sides and I need an angle. Well, I don't have any sides and I don't have any angles. But I know that all the angles of a triangle add up to be 180. So x plus 4x minus 8 plus x plus 8 has to equal 180. So 5, I got 6x, and the 8's cancel. divide by 6, and I get x equals 30. So this is going to be 30. This is going to be 38. And this is going to be, let's see, 30 is 120, 112. Okay? Oh, I forgot to, we have 2 sides. 7, I just forgot to write them on there. Okay? So I have my 2 sides. And my 2 sides are side B and side A. So if I'm going to use A and B for my sides, it means I have to use angle C. Okay? And then when I do all that in my calculator, I should get 28. Okay? And so the area is 28 whatever squared. And those are the 2 examples I showed in class today.